Insurtech looked to be in a slump at the end of 2022, but in Q1 of 2023, some investments indicated that there could be an upswing throughout this year. Could this be the time for those startups to start pumping money into their marketing? I'm Amanda Rabideau, founder and CEO of Arch Collective, and today I'm going to talk to you about the global Insurtech market. Let's dive in. All tech funding slowed in 2022, leaving Q4 of 2024 with some demoralizing year-over-year figures. And Insurtech, unfortunately, was no exception. Insurtech represented the largest decline in the fintech sphere. It dropped over 50% in comparison to 2021. However, fast forward to Q1 2023, and we have a very different story. The Insurtech sector received over $1.3 billion in funding, with the average deal price increasing by over 25%. However, the interesting factor here isn't that the actual number of companies that they're investing in is increasing. It's the amount of money that they're investing that is increasing for those tech startups that really impress the investors. During the end of the 2022 year slump in investing, there wasn't a lot of discrimination around which different insurance products were actually affected. Tech companies linked to life insurance, health insurance, asset insurance, they all felt the pinch as investors closed their purse strings. The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, or SVB, also impacted investments. A lot of tech companies were leveraging credit lines through SVB as influx of capital was beginning to dwindle. The impact of SVB's failure won't fully be understood until we get the Q2 and the Q3 figures later this year. The Global Insurtech report put out by Gallagher Re does indicate that even some very successful insurtechs are still likely to get washed away sometime in 2023 or even 2024. However, if you'd like some good news about Insurtech, that same report also indicated that those insurtechs that do manage to stick around will have even a loftier brand reputation because they were able to weather the storm of this tumultuous investment period. Let me share a quote specifically from this report. The collapse of the SVB could very well be the single pivotal moment where Insurtech is no longer associated with lofty valuations and fundraising, and instead known as technology firms, either enabled or offering as a service focused on the reinsurance industry. So where exactly does this leave us? With over 37% of Q1 2023 investments in Insurtech going to early stage startup companies, it looks like there's still opportunity. This is a great time to make sure that your marketing strategy for your startup company is on point. Book a 15-minute introductory call with Arch Collective, and we can talk to you about how we can dive deep into your marketing strategy and conduct a marketing audit that will help you identify where to continue to invest your precious marketing resources and where you should potentially make some changes. As always, if you like this type of startup marketing content, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.